My name's Cecil Cotton, and I was sick for about 10 years as I had three back surgeries, hip replacement, arthritis after I had my hip replacement. And I went back in my yearly checkup, my arthritis had doubled. So I was in bad shape. And this lady, we have a restaurant in Robstown, Texas, and this lady came in, Esther, and at the time she'd been drinking it about 13 years. And she brought the bottles in, and I got the bottle right here, and she showed it to me, and I said, "What is that?" And she said, "Well, it's whole body tonic. It's for your body." So she knows me, and she knew I was sick, and everything I told her, my joints hurt from head to toe. I can't sleep. I have depression because I've been sick so long and I won't take any medicine. And she said, "Well, what else is wrong?" I said, "My cholesterol's 258 and they want to give me Lipitor, but that could damage my liver. So I'm not going to do that. I don't take any medicine from the doctor except if I got a sinus infection or cold or flu." So I escorted her out of my restaurant as nice as I could because I told her that bottle with the flowers on there ain't going to do the trick. And I went to acupuncture. They wouldn't even touch me because they said it wouldn't work. I went to a witch doctor that gives you vitamins. That didn't work. I tried all kind of things. Well, I talked to two other ladies that were drinking the tonic, and I couldn't believe what they told me. Like Anthony said, high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes. They were all taking 5 and 7 medicines apiece, and they were 68, and the other lady was 70. Said, "We're off everything." Well, I said, "Okay, I'll give it a try." I didn't believe it, but I said, "Okay." I know they don't lie. So Esther told me take an ounce a day, and that's all you got to do. And so my best friend, Jim, I told him about it, and he said, he's smarter than me. He said, "You be the guinea pig. I'll watch you." So that's what we did. I took it an ounce a day for a week. After 1 week, me and Jim talked. He said, "How do you feel?" I said, "Well, I don't know if it's physical or mental, but I'm different. So let's go another week." After another week, 2 weeks, of course, the sicker you are, it's kind of the harder you fall. I was getting up at 4:30 in the morning going to work where I couldn't get to work at 8. And then I was coming home at 1:30 from work. I work in a restaurant laying down. I was physically, mentally gone, tired. Man, I come home looking for things to do. Now, the part I didn't tell you is my pharmacist was slipping me 2 high to codeine every 3 or 4 weeks so I could get some sleep. That was my last resort. I didn't want to, but I didn't have a choice. So with my pharmacist, Glenn Shannon in Robstown, I was doing this for about a year and a half. I'd come to him every 3 or 4 weeks and give me 2 high to codeine. After drinking the tonic, me and Jim, he got on it after 2 weeks. He has a deal under his spinal cord. There's no surgery for it. He's not as much pain as I am. And it did the same thing to him. So we kept drinking it for about 5 months. And then people would ask us, "God, what do you look at? You look great." And we tell them and they get on. One guy had his diabetes at 638, taking 5 medications. After he drank this for about a month and a half, he had his yearly checkup. He was down to 140. His doctor couldn't believe it. He got off his medication. That's your call, not our call. So anyway, after me and Jim drank this 6 months, I asked him, I said, "What is really in this bottle? Did you research it?" Of course, I hadn't talked to Anthony or nothing yet. And he said, "No." I said, "You think there's something illegal in there? How can we feel like we do? Is there something maybe cause cancer, stroke, heart attack? We're just talking between two good friends." He said, "What are we going to do?" I said, "Let's call Glenn Shannon, the druggist. My dad said, if you don't know something, go to the expert." Well, he makes medicine, and this is not medicine. So I called Glenn right there on a speakerphone. And Glenn asked us, "Well, how you doing?" And I said, "Great. Me and Jim are here. We want to talk to you." He said, "Well, hell, I hadn't seen you in 2 months." And I said, 6 months. I don't need anything. I've never felt this good. I was 43 years old. I felt like I was 25, just like Anthony said. He said, Bring the bottle today at 5:30. I got to see it. So that's my question to him. Is this all legal and nothing caused any problems or anything? When I walked in his door at 5:30 on a Monday, he looked at me, he said, "Oh my God, it does work. Look at you. You're brand new. Not limping. You're not sore. Your eyes are clear." I said, "Yeah, I feel great." He looked at the bottle. Now, here's the key, like Anthony was telling you. He looked at these ingredients and they're all herbs. At the time, there was 22. And he said, "Oh my God, where'd you find this?" And I told him this. He said, "She's not my customer. Who else is drinking this?" I said, "Miss Buckout and Carmen." He said, "Yeah. Carmen was taking 7 pills from me, and as Miss Buckout was taking 5. They won't need me anymore. It's got it all here for you." He said, "All this is legal." He said, "Let me show you. This first herb for your heart, second liver, kidney, high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, hair, skin, nails, estrogen, and testosterone." He said, "Oh my God." He said, "This will make your body work like it's supposed to. It's got everything in there. This will oxidize, purify your blood. My blood is red in the bag." He told me this. You ever see your blood, take a picture. I tell all my customers, don't take a picture of your blood before and then wait 8 months, go back. It'll be red, baby's blood. He told me this. He said, "Have you ever had your testosterone checked?" I said, "Well, no, nobody's told me." Well, I didn't do it again until about 8 years later. I came to Dallas and I got a doctor and he checked my testosterone. At 57 years old, I am almost 400. Now that's just taking an ounce a day. No, I'm sorry. I was 350 taking an ounce a day at 57. My doctor said, "You are high for your age. You don't need anything." He said, "You know how rare that is?" I said, "Yeah, it's in the millions." He said, "Yes." Now, I started taking 2 ounces after that, went back to him in a year. My testosterone was 480 something. And he went, "Wow." He said, "You're not taking shots. You're not got the pills." And I said, "No." And I showed him the bottle. He's the only doctor that knew what all this product was. Now, later I had some other minor problems. I went up on the juice to 4 ounces and then 5. I went to 500 and something on my testosterone at 62 years old. And then to prove a point to the doctor, I went up to 6 ounces just to see what it's going to do because I guinea pig myself. I I went to 743 on my testosterone. That is through the roof. I don't work out like I used to, but my muscles were popping. People thought I was working out again. My brother had prostate cancer. His testosterone was at 30. I've been begging him for 15 years to drink this. He finally did. He said, "This is going to work." I said, "It only works if you drink it." He drank it, had his doctor check up in a month and a half. He was at 375 on his testosterone. Oh my goodness. He said, "I'm back." All my buddies at my age are 125 or less. Everyone that gets on it on 1 ounce goes up to 373 something, whatever. Then later, if you go to 2 ounces, you're going to be in the 400s. Now, here's my pharmacist. He tells me, "You keep your testosterone up, you will not break down as fast. You will stay younger longer. All this works." He said, he says, "I hate to say this, but you have found the fountain of youth," is what he told me. He said, "My God, this will make your body work like it's supposed to." I got COVID when it came out. I didn't take the shot because I know that there's something wrong with that. When the government pushes something, I don't go for it. But I don't take medicine anyway. I had a slight headache for 2 days and I was a little weak for a month. That's all. Having COVID. Now, my wife has been drinking this 14 years. I sent her to my doctor. I said, "Let him just check your blood. You go once a year." After she took the blood test, he did not call her. He called me. He said, "She is 62 and you're at 63. She doesn't need anything either." He says, "You know how rare that is?" I said, "Yeah, it's in the more millions." He said, "Yes." He knows this works. The doctor knows this works, but they will not authorize it to their patients because they're not making any money. When you take medicine, they're making money. This is not medicine. Herbs are just a form of a food product. Is all it is. And you drink this. I can't tell you how many friends of mine ask me, how much money you make? I make no money. I don't want to make money on health. Anthony saved my life. I wasn't going to be here, but I'm here now. And I preach it every day. Hopefully you get on it. That's all I can tell you. I have a phone number. Anybody can call me at any time. I'm 24/7. Anthony knows that. It's just unbelievable. My ex-wife told me at 40 years old, what are you going to be like at 60 or 70? I said, I'm not going to be here. I'm not going to make it. So I've seen Anthony 4 times. He looks young. He came to Dallas a year and a half ago. He toured our warehouse, and my wife looked at him and said, oh my God, he's 85. He's the best looking 85-year-old man I've ever seen. And believe me, it is true. I know we're on camera and that, but when you see him in person, it's a whole new game. He's swift on his feet. He can eat as much as me, and he's 85 years old, and I can eat. This does everything for your stomach, everything. It's I even got it in animals. That's another story. You know, it works on everything. Anything with blood, muscle, or bone is going to work. I work in a warehouse at 60. I'm almost 65, where I couldn't do it at 40. It's just the most amazing thing. And I preach it, Some people won't talk to me anymore because this is what I tell them. But I said, fine, don't talk to me. But every time I see them, I'm going to bring it up. The FDA is not helping us too much. That's all I can tell you. But I want to thank Anthony and his dad for coming down. I wish I would have met Carl. I didn't, but that would have been great too.
Jurak Classic Whole Body Tonic is a dietary supplement, not a drug. Therefore, it is useful to affect the structure and/or function of your body in various ways, but it is not intended to and will not cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent any disease. Individual testimonials may not be rep everyone's experience and do not constitute scientific evidence. Jurak Corporation does not make any drug or treatment claims for its product.